So this is Anytech T900 Dashcam. So I already installed it. I already wired the rear view back camera and the power. So here is the front lens. Okay, let's turn it on and let's see what it has function or what it has have. So let's power it on. And again, let's turn it off. Let's turn it on. As you can see the back and the front. So actually it's already on recording mode. I already set it up. As you can see, it counts the timer. So I have to pause it so we can view the settings. Later on, I will upload some front view and rear back view of the dashcam. So let's go to settings. So movie clip time, we have 1 minute, 5 minutes. It has a loop recording mode, movie mode, 30 fps, full HD or HD 720p or 1080p. Sound recording. Language English. Beep on where does your sounds when you push those touchscreen. Power off, never. LCD power save. So when you turn on the car, it will turn off after a few minutes. So I think I set it in off. So I always want to view the LCD display. The volume and the flicker. Protect level. When your car collide on the other car, it will protect the video. Parking monitoring. When the dashcam is turned off, if the car had a collision, it will automatically turns on and record video file at least within 30 seconds. So you can view what happened after 30 seconds when the dashcam detected a collision between this car when on parking mode. So format SD card, clock settings, and lane detection warning system. So that is LWS. So I turn it on, so it detects the lane when I'm inside, and it always warn me when I'm exiting the lane. So that's it. Forward collision warning system. So the forward collision warning system is where you can detect those front of your car. It will warning when you are going to collide. The exposure and firmware version. So I guess that's it. So you can view those camera when you swipe the dashcam from right, I guess, and that's the front cam. So you can view below or above. So that's it. As you can see, the green line here and the square box, that's the lane keeping assist, and that's the center lane. So if you swipe it again, you can view the rear view back camera. So as you can see, you can also swipe it down to view the below and view the above. When you tap the reverse wire on the reverse light, the dashcam automatically will go to rear view camera, and it will show you the view of the rear view on the below. So as of now, I did not tap those things because the car had a warranty. So that's all. Later on, I will show you the video of the rear view and the front view camera on a day and on a night. So this is the back camera. I already installed in my third brake light. So I don't want to install it outside, so that's all. So I think it's a good camera. So I already installed it and hide the wires coming from here, there, and I guess there. So this is the dashcam.
Hindi na ako kutsenta, nakalimutan ko dalhin.
Ano? Sabi mo pala, sabi ko, kutsenta dapat. Naubos na.
Ay, lupit ka. Yung panunod siya doon, siraan siguro eh. Akala niya.
Naglalaro eh, nag-exhibition. No.
Dapat bili tayo ng munggo sa Eden yung duro. Magmunggo kaya tayo.
Yung dapat may malunggay.
Ay, po, bababa ako sa palengke para pagdating ito malambot yung munggo.
Ito ko, manin ko.
Doon sa batasan.
Sa ano? Batasan road.
Galit ka pa ako.
Pero
Hindi ka lang munggo doon sa Eden.
Ha?
Nandiyan na lang daw sa road.
Ha?
Ay, alin ba?
Basta kanina yun, hindi matanggal. Mabigat na.
Sana magsimba sa baklaran. Simba mo lang yung paradahan. Dito na lang ako sa puso. Kaya nag-puso lang.
Manogal loob niya. Ang headroom niya mas maganda nito. Manual. Kasi baba. Ang baba pa na sa Innova yun. Floor niya. Yung problema. Dami.
Hindi na ako kutsenta, nakalimutan ko dalhin.
Ano yun? Sabi mo pala, sabi ko, kutsenta dapat. Naubos na.
Bangking-bangking.
Ay,
lupit ka.
Yung panunod siya doon, siraan siguro eh. Akala niya.
Naglalaro eh, nag-exhibition. No.
Dapat bili tayo ng munggo sa Eden yung duro. Magmunggo kaya tayo.
Dapat may malunggay.
Ay, po, bababa ako sa palengke para pagdating ito malambot yung munggo.
Ito ko, manin ko.
Doon sa batasan.
Sa ano? Batasan road.
Galit ka pa ako.
Pero
Hindi ka lang munggo
nandiyan na
doon sa
lang
Eden.
Ha?
Nandiyan na lang daw sa road.
Ha?
Ay, alin ba?
Kasi kanina yun, hindi na pantay. Pagkagat yun.
Sana magtinda sa bakla. Yan. Tinda mo lang yung parada. Dito na lang ako sa Facebook. Kaya nag-Facebook na.
Manogal loob niya. Ano manikli niya. Ang headroom niya mas maligyan ito. Mas maluwag. Kasi baba. Ang baba pa nga sa Innova yun. Floor niya. Hindi na problema. Dami. Kala ko meron ng nabugyo pa. Alam mo, maunahan mo ako.
Yes, ipid sa dalawang truck ko yun, no? Tama yung plate number na naman. Okay. Ayun na. Kala ko U13. Importante makita yung plate number.
Yan, may tipi ako.
Meron na yung Android. Kasi mahal lang ito. 5,000 na.
Parang cellphone na yun.
Ano siya? May weight siya. Tapos may ano siya.
Android yan.
Oo, GPS siya. Lahat na. Kaya nang gawin. May music player din.
May power supply na yun. Parang mas malaki ito kaysa yung Pajero na yun, no?
Ayun.
Pero,
Mataas pa din.
yun yung original yun, mas lang yun. Yung pala yung SUV yun.
Oo, kung ba't hindi nyo i-overhaul yun?
Kala ko meron ng kung nabugit pa. Kala mo maunahan mo ako.
Yes, kita doon sa dalawang truck ko eh, no? Tama yung plate number ng mga. Okay. Yan. Kala ko dito. Importante makita yung plate number.
Kaya mga TPR yan.
Meron nga yung Android eh. Kasi mahal lang ito. 5,000 na.
Parang cellphone eh.
Ano siya, may waist siya. Tapos may ano siya.
Android eh.
Oo, GPS siya. Lahat na, kaya nang gawin. May music player doon.
May power supply na yun. Parang mas malaki pa kasi yung pagyero na yun. No?
Ano,
Pero
mataas pa ba?
yun yung original yun. Mas lang yun. Yung pala yung SUV niya.
No, ba't hindi nga in-overhaul yan?
Ano, pilit na nga nila.